As a DocuSign CLM user, you can use DocuSign Edit to modify documents without having to manually download and upload files. Before you start editing a file, lock the document. This prevents other users from editing the document. They can view or download the locked document, but they will not be able to upload a new version or delete the document. Once you have the file locked, you can open the document using DocuSign Edit. Start DocuSign Edit to launch the application on your local system. Edit the document as you typically would. You may enable change tracking in Microsoft Word. However, DocuSign CLM will track all changes in your document, even if you don't enable the change tracking feature. When you're finished with the document, save the changes. Notice the DocuSign Edit message is showing you that a new version of the document was created. Back in DocuSign CLM, refresh the browser to see the new version of the document. After your changes to the file are finished, unlock it so other CLM users can modify the document. If you need to modify a document that someone else has already locked, you can send a request to that user, indicating that you want them to unlock the file.